here, today we talk about one of the most unlikeliest plovers you'll spot in the Indian subcontinent. The Caspian plover. The Caspian plover is a wader in the plover family of birds. Stately plover with a gentle dove-like expression. This plover breeds in Western and Central Asia and migrates southward to Eastern and Southern Africa to escape the northern winter. Breeding male is stunning, with a white face and belly separated by a broad chestnut patch across the chest. Breeding female is plainer brown and has a warm rusty brown patch across the chest. Non-breeding adults and juveniles are greyish brown with pale frings to the feathers of the upper parts, as well as pale face and belly. Inhabits open areas near water when breeding and often away from it when wintering. It feeds in a similar way to other plovers, picking beetles, termites, ants, grasshoppers, small snails and other small prey, mainly from the ground. Their calls are like locally named Caspiya Oleviya. I have not seen the Caspian plover. As other plovers, you are likely to see them near coastal areas. This is a video of Vadua beach. It is one of the most popular tourist beaches in Sri Lanka.